Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I want to talk about the very first proposal that got me a job, and hopefully it can help you get your first job. So I want to look at that proposal, walk it through with you guys, and then I want you to go and try it. These are very practical tips, and I know when I just started on Upwork and when I looked for videos, nobody had practical tips to give, and I hated it. I was like, gosh, why are you even making videos? So these tips are really practical, and I know it will help you. So before we dive into it, please like and subscribe this channel. That really helps us a lot, and it costs you nothing. Let's dive right in. Alright, welcome back. So let's check out on the screen. Here's my job feed, and I'm just going to click on a random job just for this video, just to show you an example. Let's check it out. Cool, I'm just going to click on submit proposal. So as you can see, I've already typed out the proposal, and I want to go through it and explain why I did what I did and why it would help you. Alright, so this is just a random job that I chose to submit a proposal just to get, the real effect of it. First of all, something that I didn't know when I actually wrote this proposal is that when clients see proposals coming through, they can see the first two lines before even opening up the proposal. So I want you to think about that, and to get a catchphrase you can use and put down that before they even open your proposal, they want to open your proposal because of the catchphrase or whatever you put down there. That is really important, and that will help you a lot. Alright, so let's check it out. Hi, I'm currently a video editor, animator, and trained sound engineer, and I've been doing it for the last 11 years. I've recently joined the Upwork space and hoping to make a career out of it. I'm willing to drop my price to $8 so that I can get ratings and reviews on my profile. I would appreciate it if you can give me a chance. I'm really experienced editing real estate videos, and one shouldn't take me longer than 4 hours. Hope to hear back from you. Kind regards, Dwan. Alright, so as a newbie, it's really important to put down your experience first, because you don't have any ratings. The client will actually need to take your word regarding your experience. So that is the first thing that you need to show the client. Secondly, you need to be vulnerable and tell the client that you just joined Upwork, and that is really why you don't have any ratings. That's why I said there, I recently joined the Upwork space and hoping to make a career out of it. So now they know, okay, this guy doesn't have ratings, he has experience, and he really wants to make a career out of using Upwork. So maybe I should give him a chance. And then going to the next paragraph that says, I'm willing to drop my price to $8. Now, one thing that I also said in one of my previous videos is that long-term success will always require short-term sacrifice. And if you want to be successful on Upwork, you're going to have to make sacrifices in the beginning. And that is why if somebody say have a budget of $50, man, drop your price to $8 and tell this person, I am dropping my price just so that I can get ratings on my profile. Immediately the client that watches this thinks, wow, this is a bargain. This guy has 11 years of experience, and I can get this job done with a professional for $8. That is insane. So that is what you want the client to think. So I said I'm willing to drop my price to $8 so that I can get ratings and reviews on my profile. Now automatically this guy doesn't have to question, with this price, can you actually do the job? But if he understands, man, I'm dropping my price because I want ratings, then why wouldn't he want to take it, right? So, and I would appreciate it if you can give me a chance. So it's really important to ask them to give you a chance. Don't beg, but ask them nicely. And there's a lot of really good people that will actually give you a chance if you ask them. But the thing is, if you don't ask, you cannot receive. Cool stuff. And then you can tell them more about the job. Now this section is also really important because you have to tell them that you've read the proposal, that you can do the job, and please don't apply to jobs and work that you're not good at, because you're going to disappoint people, you're going to get bad ratings on your profile, and you're going to really struggle to get work from there. So only apply for jobs that you are very, very comfortable with. That is super important. Cool. And then hope to hear back from you. Kind regards, Dwan. So this was the very first proposal that actually landed my first job, and I know that if you will take this info and make it your own, customize it, use this as a template, I know that you will land your first job. And I am rooting for you to get your first job. That is why I'm making these videos, and that is why you need to subscribe for more amazing videos with a lot of practical tips. See you in the next video. Cheers.